Now let's start with frequency distribution table. What is discrete data means? Discrete data are based on counts. Only a finite number of value is possible and the values cannot be subdivided meaningfully. What is the meaning here is there will be finite numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. There will not be any meaning a number between these 2 and 3 like 2.5, 2.6. That kind of decimal points it is not meaningful here. Example we can see here, number of males in a classroom. So it may be 20 or 10 or 100. There is no possibility to get 10.5 as a number of males in a classroom. So that is an example for discrete data. Now, how to construct this discrete data table, that is frequency distribution table. So first step is identify the variable in the given data set. Then we have to go for count and tally. Then prepare the table. So these are three simple steps in constructing this table. I repeat, first identify the variable, next count and tally, then prepare the table. So let's go with an exercise here. Now this is the question. Prepare a frequency distribution table for the following data. So the data is nothing but gender of 10 sample. So this is all the data. Male, female, 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 male, female, male, male, female, and female. So these are the 10 sample and their gender. Now, first step is identify the variable. So in gender, we have two important data. One is male, another one is female. So after identifying the variable, next is count and tally. So tally, all of us, we know we studied during our school age. So what we have to do is, first you have to see the data set here. Based on this data set, we'll mark a line. For example, first here we have male. So what we have to do, just mark a number 1 here like this, male. Second data set is female. So what we have to do, just mark a line here, female. Third one is female. Just mark another line next to this, female. Then fourth data set here is female. Yes, we have to write here as female. Fifth person is male. Then go to first one. So male, here we have to write as male. Sixth person is female. Then we have to write here as female. Then seventh person is male. Just we have to write here as one line here as male. And then eighth person is also male. Just we'll write here as male. Ninth person is female. So what we do, already we got 4 people here. So fifth we'll make it as a cross. So it will make a set. So this set indicates 5. Next, last person is also female. So again, another line. So this process is called as count and tally. So once you finish the tally, next step is frequency. So total how many people are in male? We have 4 people. Then how many females are here? 5 plus 1, 6. Then we'll find out percentage also. So if you find out percentage, 4 out of 10, it will be 40%. 6 out of 10 will be 60%. So this is the process of counting and tallying. So we identify the variable, we tally it, then next we'll go for preparation of table. So tables are nothing but data in the form of rows and columns. Now we have a row here. So it talks about gender, frequency, and percentage. Then next row talks about male. So there are 4 males are there, 40%. Then female, there are 6 females are there, 60%. So this is a simple form of table. Still we have not completed all the principles. So as per the principle, first one is we need a table number and title at top of the table. So we can give title like this, table number 1, gender of sample. Next step is we have to write the sample size at right top corner of the table, something here. Now here sample size is 6 plus 4, 10. So we'll write n is equal to 10. The next we have tried the description about this table. Now description doesn't mean that repeating the same data in the table, like males are 40%, females are 60%. We try to find out meaning from the table. Like if you see these two data 40 and 60%, here females are much higher than the males. So we can write like this. Table 1 shows that more than half, that is 60% of the sample are females. So this is the simple way to prepare a frequency distribution table. So with this, we are completing frequency distribution table.